So how do spiritual warfare and paranormal investigations work, or investigators? And it's not all cut and dry. It really is an overlapping thing. Well, I mean, I can look here and I know some people do investigations, and I know very different, right, to each other in a lot of ways. Okay, the way I do things, the way Mandy does things, is even different. Okay, I'm not a medium, I'm not a sensitive, but Mandy is. So we do things differently. Okay, but we all have our experiences. The way Billy over here works, or the way Tony works, you know, Kira, etc. They will all have their own ways of doing things. We don't all have to work together. So same as spiritual warfare, and how it works together. All right. Okay. It wasn't as dark as the other one, but he was taken over. I mean, it can happen like that. And he was here last Paranormal Dayz. Okay, when I spoke about Aradale. I talked about going in and taking two girls out who had gone in thinking they knew what they were doing and they didn't. One was in the corner rocking back and forth, the other one's on all fours, would draw a reaching. Right, I threw one over my shoulder, picked the other one up by the belt, dragged it around. Right? Because they got taken over. Something had attacked them. Anyway, so